Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 10 decimal fractions in that exercise 10A. 15th question D. 499.862 on rounding off to nearest hundredth it will be 499.86. Then rounding off to nearest tenths it is 499.9. Then rounding off to nearest whole number or ones you will get 500.0, that is 500. Okay, next E 616.069 on rounding off to nearest hundredths it is 616.07. Then rounding off to nearest tenths it is 616.1. Then again rounding off to nearest ones or whole number it is 616.0, that is 616. Then 16th question A. 89.56 meter you have to round off to nearest meter, so you will get 90 meter. Then 87.24 meter it is 87 meter. Then B 5.34 liter, the answer is 5 liter. Then 9.741 liter you will get 10 liter. Then C 78.340 kilogram, the answer is 78 kilogram. Then 89.56 kilogram it is 90 kilogram. Next topic, addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. So exercise 10B, first question, add the following: A 3.5, 16.08, 125.073. So in order to add decimal fractions, add or subtract decimal fractions, first step is write the numbers in column form. Okay, write the numbers in column form such that ones place digit should come under same column. Then tens place digit should come under same column. Then decimal point should come under same column. Then after decimal point, tens place digit should come under same column. Then hundredth place digit should come under same column, like that. Okay, so we can write in column form. First 3.5. Then next it is 16.08. So 16. 6 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. Then point is coming here. Then 0, 0 is in tens place. Then 8 is in hundredths place. Okay, like this you have to arrange. Ones place should come under same column. Tens place, this is decimal point. Then this is tens place, this is hundredth place. Okay, next 125.073. So you can write like this: 125.073. Here ones place under same column, then tens place in the same column, hundredths place, then decimal point, tens place, hundredths place, thousands place. So in the remaining places you can put 0. If no digit is there, means in the remaining places you can put write 0. Okay, then you can add 3, 7 plus 8 15, 5 plus 1 6. Point also should come under same column. Okay, here decimal point is coming, means you have to put decimal point in the same column. Then 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 5 14, remainder 1, carry over 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, then 1. So the answer is 144.653. Next B 20.25, 0.2025, 2.025, 202.5. So write the numbers in column form. So first 20.25, then 0.2025. So 0.2025, then 2.025. So 2.025, then 202.5, 202.5. Okay, we arrange or write the numbers in column form such that their ones place digit should come under same column, tens place, hundreds place, then decimal point, then tens place, hundredth place, thousands place, then 10,000s place. Okay, here after decimal, if no digit is there means in that places you can put zeros. Okay, so you need to add this. Okay, now 5. Here you will get 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2 again 7. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9. Point. Here decimal point is coming in this column, so put point here also. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 2. So the answer is 224.9775. Next is C, 44.6, 80.6, 96.0, 0.75. So first write the numbers in column form. So first 44.6, next 80.6, then 96.0, last 0.75. So in hundreds place, here in these three numbers no digit is there, so you can put 0. Okay, now adding you will get 5, then 6 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, carry over 1, put decimal point, then 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, carry over 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 9, 22. So 221.95 is the answer. Next D, 6.0648, 0.648, then 6.48. So write the numbers in column form. So 6.0648, then 0.648 you can write here, then 6.48. So in these places where there is no digits after decimal, you can put zeros. So here 4 digit is coming after decimal place, here also. In these three numbers, 4 digit is coming after decimal point. Okay, that's why we put zeros here. Then adding you will get 8. Then 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. Then 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Point is coming here. Then 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. So 13.1928 is the answer. Next is second question. Subtract the following. In that A, 0.36 minus 0.2431. So as we did for addition, write the numbers in column form. So 0.36 minus 0.2431. Here only 2 digit is coming after decimal point, so put zeros here. Okay, so here 4 digit is coming, in this also 4 digit is coming. Now you need to subtract this. Do the subtraction starting from right side. You will get the answer 0.1169. Next B, 0.705 minus 0.598. So write the numbers in column form. 0.705, 0.598. You need to subtract. So starting from right, you can do the subtraction. So you will get 7, 0, 5, 1, 0.107. So this will be the answer. Next G, 100 minus 75.0336. So you can write the numbers in column form. 100, then 75.0336. So you can write 75. Ones place digit should come under same column. Tens place digit should come under same column. Okay, 0.0336. So in the first number after decimal point no digits are coming, so put 4 zeros. Here 4 digits are there in the second number after decimal point. So in the first number also put 4 zeros after decimal point. Then you need to subtract this. Okay, so you will get 10 0. So 6 plus 4 it is 10. Now 3 to 9 minus 3 it is 6. 9 minus 3 6. 9 minus 0 9. Point is coming here. Now 5 to 9 it is 4. 7 to 9 it is 2. So 24.9664 will be the answer. Next H 0.3568 minus 0.1709. So you can write the numbers in column form. 0.3568 minus 0.1709. Now do the subtraction. So 9 to 18 it is 9. 5 minus 0 it is 5. 7 to 15 it is 8. Then 1.0. So 0.1859 will be the answer. So exercise 10B, the remaining problems of 1 and 2 do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.